निषिद्धैरप्येभिः लुलितमकरन्दो मधुकरैः करैरिन्दोरन्तस्फुरित इव सम्भिन्नमुकुलः विधत्तां सिद्धिं नो नयनसुभगाम् अस्य सदसः प्रकीर्णपुष्पाणां हरिचरणयोरञ्जलिरयम्. So the fight between Karna and Ashwathama are right now happening. So both of the fight is happening right now. So Karna says, Are Duratman. So in the Ashwathama tries to kick him with his leg, and Karna says, Jatya kamam avadhyosi charanam tu idam udhritam anena lunam khadgena patitam drakshyasi kshitav. So we finished with this 41st shloka. Karna says, you may be avadhyaha, that is, you are born in a kulam, you are born in a varna that makes you someone who should not be killed by me, especially. But this is a battle, so you can kill him. That is not a point here. And he points out to the jati here, and he says, you are by your caste, you are not to be killed. True, kamam. I agree. But then your foot which you have raised, udhritam idam charanam tu lunam khadgena patitam drakshyasi. You will see your foot being cut, and you will see it fallen on the ground. Then Ashwathama, Are Moodha Jatya kamam avadhyaha aham iyam sa jatihi parityakta iti yajnopavitam chinatti punascha sakrodham. See, this entire episode, as I told you before, it is a fiction or a fabrication of the poet himself. In fact, in the original, both Karna and Ashwathama suggest each other to take up the Senapati position. Ashwathama recommends Karna, and Karna recommends Ashwathama first. So this happens, right? Whereas here it is just a complete different portrayal of the two. So Jatya kamam avadhyaha aham. It's a kind of Are Moodha. Are you saying that I cannot be killed because of my caste? What do you say? Here I will give up my caste. So sa jatihi parityakta adhuna iti. And he removes his yajnopavitam, and punascha sakrodham. Again he talks with great anger. Adhya mithya pratignyosau kiriti kriyate maya shastram grihana va tyaktva maulau va rachaya anjali. Adhya asau mithya pratignaha kiriti mithya pratignaha kriyate maya. So adhya maya asau kiriti mithya pratignaha kriyate. Today I will ensure that Kiriti Arjuna does not complete his vow. That is, his vow becomes his promise becomes a mithya promise. That is, it becomes a false promise, in the sense that he took a vow to kill Karna. Even before, during the Draupadi episode itself, he took a vow, I think, to kill Karna at that point of time. And that pratignya right now belongs to Kiriti, belongs to Arjuna. So, Adya Maya Mithya Pratignaha Arjunaha Kriyate iti. So, I will ensure that Arjuna does not follow through with his promise. In other words, I myself will kill Karna. So, Shastram Grihana, he tells Karna, you take up your sword, athava else Maulo Anjalim Rachaya. Tyaktva. Okay. Shastram Grihana, athava Shastram Tyaktva. Either you take up your weapon and fight, or else you abandon. You also give up your weapon, and then Maulo Rachaya Anjalim. Talamala Kayu Kupintin Illenura. With folded hands across your head, you just drop down your weapon right now. Ubhavapi Khadgam Akrishya Anyonyam Prahartum Udyatau. So he has given this sanction, right? Take up your weapon, or you leave your weapon and show that you have submitted yourself to me by doing namaskaram. Karna is also a Veera. So he immediately takes out his sword, and then both of them are ready to hit each other. Prahartum Udyatau. Kripa Duryodhanau Nivarayataha, both Kripa and Kripacharya and Duryodhana, both of them stop Ashwathama and Karna here. Duryodhanaha Acharyaputra Shastragrahanena Alam. Kripaha Vatsa Sutaputra Shastragrahanena Alam. Both of them are telling the person. I always had a doubt who was stopping whom. By words they are actually stopping the other person. Illa by hands physically are they actually standing near Ashwathama. But if you remember, Ashwathama has been sitting with Duryodhana till now. And then he gets up. So Duryodhana is closer to Ashwathama, and I think Kripa moves to Karna there. So that's how the arrangement should be on the stage, because physically you have to think about who is stopping whom, right? Or it could be that one is pulling back Ashwathama, Duryodhana is pulling back Karna and addressing Ashwathama on the other side. That won't fit. So you will have to think about how the whole thing is staged also. So Duryodhana is addressing Acharyaputra Ashwathama, and he is saying Shastragrahena Alam, do not take up your weapon, and he is probably pulling back him and his arm. So Kripaha Vatsa Sutaputra Shastragrahanena Alam. You also have to stop yourself from taking up the weapon. Ashwathama Matula Kim Nivarayasi. So it should be that, Kripacharya would have tried to stop Karna, and he would be beside Karna trying to stop him. Matula, uncle. So Kim Nivarayasi. Itukte Kimartham Nivarayasi. Why are you stopping him? Ayamapi Tataninda Pragalbhaha Suta Apasadaha Drishtadyumna Pakshapati Eva. He is also, he is, don't you understand who he is? Who Karna is? Tataninda Pragalbhaha. Pragalbhaha is a person who is extremely bold. So he is bold enough to have abused or ninda, criticized my father. He is such a bold person that he was able to criticize my father. Suta Apasadaha, he is a wicked charioteer here, or the lowliest of charioteers. Drishtadyumna Pakshapati. He seems to take up the side of Drishtadyumna here, because he is the one who said it is your father who dropped the weapon. So why are you blaming others here? So which means, in other words, he seems to have accepted what Drishtadyumna did at that point of time, being a fair, when it is in battle, all is fair, tane cholo. And the Madri, he is also looking at it. So whereas Ashwathama, being extremely emotional, he says Drishtadyumna Pakshapati. He seems to favor Drishtadyumna in this matter. So why are you stopping him? Karnaha Rajan na khalu aham nivarayitavyaha. No, Duryodhana, each one is addressing the other person, right? So that also confused me a bit. Why are they doing this? So here actually Duryodhana, he says, Duryodhana na khalu aham nivarayitavyaha. I should not be stopped, Abringra. Don't stop me. Karna is actually saying, but Duryodhana was stopping only Ashwathama. It was Kripa who was stopping, but Karna, in his mind, he doesn't give a damn about any of Kripa or Bhishma or Drona or anybody for that matter. For him, Duryodhana was the be-all and end-all kind of thing. That is why I feel this also fits Karna's attitude. So he would say, don't stop me, to Duryodhana, even though it was only Kripa who was stopping him. But Kripacharya never figures in his mind at all, I feel. As a character, that's how I see Karna. So he says, Rajan, na khalu aham nivarayitavyaha upekshitanam mandanam dhirasattvair avajnaya atrasitanam krodhandaihi bhavatyesha vikathana. It could also be that na khalu ayam nivarayitavyaha is also another possibility there. That is, do not try to stop this person. Don't try to stop Ashwathama iti. Let me check one more book if the reading of Ayam is there. Illana vera vidhamada adu purinjukano. 41 na khalu aham nivarayitavyaha is the reading in all books. Okay, there are 3 different versions I have, and all versions have that. So which means For Karna, his mind is only occupied with Duryodhana and doing good for Duryodhana. So he doesn't even think that it was Kripacharya who was trying to stop him. Upekshitanam mandanam dhira satvaihi avajnaya atrasitanam mandanam atrasitanam krodandaihi bhavati esha vikathana. This kind of a boasting which Ashwathama is doing right now is possible. Bhavati, it is possible only among people who have been completely ignored by those who are those who are magnanimous, dhira sattva, or those who are extremely who have a very noble heart. Okay, those who are generous, or those who have a noble heart, and those who have a very brave, those who are brave persons. Actually, dhira satvaihi ityukte dhiratvam yeshu vartate. Sattva also refers to beings. So those beings who are extremely steady in their mind, and dhira satvaihi upekshitanam mandanam krodha andhaihi atrasitanam mandanam eva evam vikathana bhavati. Such kind of boasting happens only when they are not noticed, or they are not ignored. Avajnaya upekshitana. அதாவது ஒரு இன்சல்ட்டிங்கா ஒருத்தவன் அவனை இக்னோர் பண்ணலன்னா, அல்லது கோவத்தோட அவனை பயமுறுத்தலன்னா தான் இந்த மாதிரி பேசுவான். If he has been insulted by ignoring, in the form of ignoring, or if he has been threatened by people who are angry, then he would not be boasting like this. So dhira satvaihi avajnaya upekshitanam. So there can be two ways of ignoring people. Mandanam, those people who are dull-headed or those who are weak-minded, these people can be ignored. If they are ignored due to humiliation, you can also be ignored because they don't care. Or here, in other words, here it is dhira satvaihi avajnaya upekshitanam. Those who have not been noticed because of contempt or because of avajna, humiliation. That is why the high-minded people do not notice the weak-minded people. Or krodhandaihi atrasitanam, or they have not been threatened by these people, people who are angry. Then only these people can brag. In the other words, தன்னை பத்தி ரொம்ப வசதியா நினைச்சுட்டு இருக்கா. ஏன்னா இன்னொருத்தன் பயமுறுத்தல, இன்னொருத்தன் அவனை ஹியூமிலேட் பண்ணல, இன்சல்ட் பண்ணல, அதனால அவனுக்கு தெரியலங்கிற. ஓகே.
So the avagnya refers to just ignoring them. Upeksha refers to insulting.
Insulting illa, ignoring. Avagnya is in humiliation.
Oh, avagnya. So dhira sattvahi avagnya. By the dhira sattvas, they have due to the humiliation. So those who have been upekshita, ignored by the dhira sattvas, then by the humiliation caused by that, avagnya would be like tritiya for karanam.
Karanam, yes, hetu.
Okay.
Anadarena upekshitanam.
Anadarena, avagnya iti anadarena. Okay. So that because of the anadara, idanim krodandaha ke idanim.
So, or another set of people. You can take it as either or they have not. See, magnanimous people can do two things. One is they can either ignore or they can become extremely angry, and they can ஒரு மாதிரி criticize people, right? Threaten people.
Okay. I mean, I was thinking that they have been humiliated by the dhira sattvas and ignored, and those people becoming krodhandas atra asitanam mean made to be put here with a niche.
Asita illa.
Atra asita asda.
Trasitanam. Trasu.
Oh, Trasa. Oh, I was thinking Atra. Okay, I was thinking like that. Oh,
இல்ல இல்ல அத்ராசிதானாம், those who have not been threatened,
oh, Trasi
பயமுறுத்தப்படல.
could be the niche. Okay, they have been they have been caused to be made afraid. They have okay.
Not been caused to made afraid. Yeah, Trasita is caused to be afraid.
Oh,
Here,
negative.
not none is there.
Oh, Krodandaihi not Trasitanam.
Yes.
Okay, so the is Pratisheda in Prasajya Pratisheda here.
அது ஏதோ எடுத்துக்கோங்க சரி.
Okay, so that means so those who have been made blind by rage have not threatened these people. Okay.
Have not threatened at all. That is why they are boasting in this manner. Ashwathama Rajan muncha muncha enam asadayatu madbhujantara nishpesha sulabham asunam avasadanam. So let go of him. You know, I will அந்த இதுல இடுக்கல வச்சுண்டு அப்படியே அவனை வந்து நசிக்கிடுறேன் அப்படிங்கிறா. Between my arm and my body, I will just hold him. So mad bhujantara nishpesha. Bhuja antara is the space of his arms. He will be crushed between the space of his arms. So or இப்படியே வச்சு அமுத்திடலாம், you know, just crushing him within the space of the arms. So mad bhujantara nishpesha, because of the crushing, it is very easy for me to kill him. Asunam avasadanam, the ending of his life. Asadayatu, let him attain the ending of his life. Abdina, it is very, let him suffer the destruction of his life. Asadayatu, destruction of his life by getting crushed between my arms, which is very sulabham, which is very easy for me to do it. अन्यच्च राजन् स्नेहेन वा कार्येण वा यत्त्वम् एनं तात अधिक्षेपकारिणं दुरात्मानं मत्तः परिरक्षितुम् इच्छसि तद् उभयमपि वृथैव ते. अन्यच्च, another thing that I wanted to point out is, O king, Rajan, स्नेहेन वा karyena va, either out of your affection or if it is out of a goal in view, you have some object to be achieved through him. Karyena कार्योपयोगी अयम् इति कारणात् वा अथवा स्नेहपात्रम् इति वा, whatever you may have in your mind, एनं परिरक्षितुम् इच्छसि, you seem to want to protect this person who is tata adhikshepakarinam, who has criticized my father. Duratma, he is also wicked, and mattaha, he is completely intoxicated by his own strength right now. So he who has insulted my father and he is a wicked person, you trying to protect him is completely in vain, is useless. Tad ubhayamapi, either the sneham that you show or the work that you want to get achieved also is useless for you. Pashya, and he justifies it with the shloka right now. Papa
once again, in the previous sentence, it was Madbhujantara Nishpesha Sulabha, and then what was Sulabham?
Sulabham Asunam Avasadanam.
Asunam iti?
Prananam.
Oh,
Asavaha.
Asavaha. Oh, okay.
Asuhu Pranaha. Yeah. Okay. So they are always in plural. Pancha pranaha itivat dasmat pranan pranaih kantagatairapi padikroma.
So asadayatu nama
let him attain.
Oh, let him
prapnotu.
Saha prapnotu. Saha avasadanam, asunam avasadanam prapnotu. So the calming of his breaths, the seizing of his breaths, asunam avasadanam.
Calming, ending, avladane. Avasadanam is end dane.
Avasadanam is ending. Okay. The ending of his breaths, basically, which means the ending of his life.
Death. நான் வச்சு நசுக்கி அவனை கொன்னுடுறேனேங்கறான்.
Oh, avasadayat. Okay. Avasadayat once again niche, right?
Avasadanam is niche. Asadayatu, let him attain. Ama. My mathastena, madhastena, something like that.
Papa Priya. atrasitanam,
Ah.
that fear can be either from the krodhandehi bhavati esha, or can be from the dhira sattva avajnaya. For
No, no.
both can
So,
be the cause
dhira
for atrasitanam.
sattvaihi, so dhira sattvaihi avajnaya upekshitanam tadanantaram dhira sattvaha eva krodhandaha bhavanti taihi atrasitanam. They first ignore and then they become, or if they, that's because they have not threatened after getting angry that these people romba tulra. Adha.
So Karna is referring to
So
himself as
they
Veera
only
Sattva.
because after getting angry they get threatened. Before getting angry they won't get threatened. If they are
Of
ignored,
course
what will
not. Why
happen?
would they even threaten? They, because they are dhira sattva. They are of steady mind. They will not even think about these people wanting to threaten them at all. Only when their anger goes beyond a boiling point, that is when they will want to threaten them.
No, I mean, when the mandanam atrahasitanam, that the atrahasitanam is only after the anger it happens. It won't happen before the dhirasta sattvehi avajnaya. It won't happen.
Avajnaya kimartham tatra trasaha bhavet.
They are
You won't be angry
ignoring
because
like
of
that.
humiliation.
The guilty pang won't come.
No. Guilty pangs vera. Upekshitaha eva. They feel ignored. They feel that they have not been given attention. That's all.
Trasita means being made afraid, right? They won't be made afraid by insults. They will be made afraid only by angry
Words.
words.
If they are ignored, then it means that there is no cause for bhayam initially.
So
Yeah.
here, Karna is making a reference to himself as the Dhira Sattva. Like he's saying Dhira Sattva, right? He's making a reference to himself, basically.
Ama.
Or he means
Duryodhana.
Duryodhana.
Duryodhana. You have just been giving him too much of a long rope. You have not threatened him at all. So let me be your sword and threaten him in that manner. Adu irukkalam. Yeah. That makes more sense. पापप्रियस् तव कथं गुणिनः सखा अयं सूतान्वय शशधर अन्वय संभवस्य हन्ता किरीटिनम् अहं नृप मुञ्च कुर्यां क्रोधाद् आकर्णम् अपृतात्मजम् अद्य लोकम्. He says, how can this person ever be your friend? Katham guninaha tava papapriyaha ayam sakha bhavati. How is it possible that you who have so many good qualities can have such a person as a friend who does wicked, who is a lover of bad deeds or wicked deeds, sinful deeds. Papapriyaha ayam karnaha katham guninaha tava sakha bhavet. How is it possible that he became your friend? The other disparity that he is showing is also shashadhara anvaya sambhavasya tava sutanvayaha ayam katham sakha abhavat. So how is it possible that he who was born in the family lineage of charioteers be a friend to a person who is a Chandravamshe jataha? Shashadhara Chandraha. Chandrasya anvaya sambhavaha. So one who was born Shashadharasya anvaye sambhavaha yasya tasya tava. How is it possible that he is your friend? He who was born to a charioteer is a companion to you who have been born in the Chandravamsha. Okay, and he who is a lover of papam, whereas you who are guni, you have good qualities. So aham nripa muncha, I think muncha comes illa apramada mam muncha aham he nripa munchana let me go aham kiritinam hanta adya lokam krodhat akarnam apritatmajam cha kuryam. Abdi connect panna. So first muncha varnam. Let me go. No, which is first give me permission. Let me go. I will kill. Illana munchatam abdin irukkalam. So aham kiritinam hanta munchatam. Leave him. You don't have to be with Karna right now because there is so much of difference between the two of you. Why do you have him as a friend? I am here who can be the killer of Arjuna. So Kiritinam Hanta அந்த திருச்சு வரைச்சு ஐ திங்க் ஷஷ்டி ந சம் சூத்திரம் இஸ் தேர்.
லோகாவிய கலர்த்தத்ரிணா.
அதான் அந்த சூத்திரம். I don't remember sutras, oh my god. Yeah, so because of that trich there is no shashti here, and Kiritinam Hanta, I will be the killer of Arjuna right now. You let go of him, you don't need to hang on to Karna as the savior kind of thing who will kill Arjuna or anybody. So today krodhat, because of my anger, adya lokam akarnam aprathatmajam cha kuryam, I will make this world deprived of Karna, or deprived illa, adavadhu I will rid this world of Karna and son of Pritha. Son of Prithangarthu inge vandu Arjuna only, because Karna, he needs Karna to kill Arjuna, because Karna has taken the vow of killing Arjuna. Arjuna has also taken the vow of facing Karna. So right now your bet is on Karna for that. You don't need to worry about it. I am there. Okay. Papapriyas tava katham guninaha sakha ayam sutanvayah shashadhara anvaya sambhavasya hanta kiritinam aham nripa muncha kuryam krodhat akarnam apratatmajam adya lokam iti prahartum ichchati. I think it says mom, instead of that tam would be better. That is Karna. That's a better approach. Karnaha khadgam udyamya. No, he had his sword down, now he lifts his sword and says are vachata brahmanadhama ayanna bhavasi rajan muncha na khaluma aham varayitabhyah. So this is not at all possible. You are just ayam na bhavasi iti chet ayam tvam na bhavasi. Parango. So ayam is prathama purusha, bhavasi is madhyama purusha. So you have to interpret it as ayam tvam, அந்த அக்ரிணையில பேசுற மாதிரி, த இவன் நீ இருக்க மாட்ட அப்படின்னு, in a kind of ஒரு what to say, to insult him, he says that this fellow will not be, this fellow that you are, you will not exist. Na bhavasi eva. Vachata is a person who brags about himself. Brahmana adhama, one who is a lowly Brahmana. Rajanna muncha, leave, let go. I will ensure that I should not be stopped right now. Na khalu aham varayitabhyah. Hantum ichchati, he wants to go and kill Ashwathama. Duryodhana kripau nivarayatah. Both of them stop. Karna, Guruputra, koyamadya yuvayoho vyamoha. Vyamohanale, it's some kind of a delusion that has taken over both of you right now. What is this delusion that you both have? Yuvayoho vyamoha. Kripaha vatsa anyadeva prastutam anyatra avegaha iti koyam vyamoha. Now he explains that vyamoha further. This delusion is something that, we started off with one thing on hand, and we went completely in a different direction. So anyadeva prastutam, something else was started. Prastutaha nama context, something else was started as a context, and anyatra avegaha, you are completely drifting off and showing your avega, agitation, in some other matter. Iti koyam vyamoha. So what is this delusion that you seem to have? Swabala vyasanam cha idam asmin kale rajakulasya asya yushmatta eva bhavati iti vamah panthaha. Vamah panthaha, it is the wrong path to adopt. It is a wrong path that swabala vyasanam cha idam. This kind of an action that you are ready to do right now, it is a great vyasanam, a difficulty that has come for our own army. What you are trying to do? So rajakulasya asya cha idam swabala vyasanam yushmattaha eva bhavati iti asmin kale. At this point, idam, this kind of a difficulty, which is difficulty evada vyasanam can be a calamity that is happening for within our own internal conflict. So this kind of an internal conflict is happening to our royal family ngardu yushmattaha eva bhavati iti vamah pantaha, and you being the cause, it is coming from you, is a wrong path to be adopted, or it is a wrong course of action right now, unfit course of action. Vamaha, dakshinaha na, it's good. Vamaha is a wrong kind of action. Ashwathama, matula na labhyate asya katupralapinaha rathakara kula kalankasya darpaha shatayitum. I will not get another opportunity. Na labhyate darpaha shatayitum, avakashaha na labhyate nu eduthikalam. So I will not get another opportunity. An opportunity will not be obtained by me to kill, shatayitum, to reduce, actually chop off. Shatayitum nama, to remove his anger, his arrogance, the pride that he has, who is a katupralapi. This asya shashti vibhakti refers to Karna here. I will not get another opportunity to remove the pride of this person who is katupralapi, who seems to talk very harshly, bitter tongue, and who is a kalankam, stain in the rathakara kulam, stain in the family of charioteers. Kripaha vatsa akalah khalu swabala pradhana virodhasya. This is not a proper time to have an enmity towards someone who is the chief of our forces. So right now, Kripacharya seems to have accepted that he is the most pradhana, or he is the one who is being favored by Duryodhana. Hence, swabala pradhanaha saha eva karnaha eva iti tasya manasvi spuritam prayaha. That's why he is saying swabala pradhana virodhasya akalaha ayam. This is not the proper time. It is the inappropriate time to show a virodha, to show an enmity towards someone who is a chief, or who is one of the more important persons in our own army. Swabala is trying to get that in his mind. Ashwathama, matula yadi evam ayam papo yavanna nidhanam upeyad arisharaihi parityaktam tavat priyamapi maya astram ranamukhe balanam nathesmin parikupita bhimarjuna bhaye samutpanne raja priyasakha balam vettu samare. Ayam papaha. So he says, I am going to drop my weapon right now until this fellow is alive. So until Karna is alive, or until he dies, I am not going to use my weapon at all. So ayam papaha yavat, until the time, it refers to a time frame here. Yavat arisharaihi ayam papaha nidhanam na upeyat. Na upeyat, na atra vidyate. So until the time that this person, this papa, this sinner has not met his death, nidhanam upeyat, has not gone to nidhanam nama maranam atra, so has not met his death, until then tavat, by the arrows of the enemy. So ari sharaihi ayam yavat na mriyeta tavat, until then priyamapi astram rana mukhe maya parityakta. Even though I love my weapon, priyamapi madastram rana mukhe, and it is at the head of the battlefield, we are in the thick of a battle, yet it is my weapon is also dear to me, and a battle is ongoing right now. Still maya parityaktam, I will leave my weapon. அதுவே தெரியும். Immediately it is a cause for Karna to do some insult or the other, because he is doing exactly the same thing that Drona did. So balanam nathe asmin parikupita bhimarjuna bhaye samutpanne samare priya sakha balam raja vettu. Let the king understand what the strength of his friend, his dear friend. Priya Sakha Balam Vetu, let him understand now in this, in this battle, when the battle has started, Samare Samutpanne Sati, Balanam Nathe Asmin, and when Karna has taken up the position of Senapati right now, then he will know on the battlefield where இல்லைன்னா இதை சதி சப்தமி எடுத்துக்கலாமா? பலானாம் நாதே அஸ்மின் சதி. ஆமா, கரெக்ட். He takes it as sati saptami. So balanam nathe asmin sati, when Karna has taken up the position of balanam natha, the chief of the army, parikupita bhimarjuna bhaye samutpanne sati tasmin samare, or you can take it as in the battle which has a fear of Bhima and Arjuna being angered right now. When that sort of a battle has started, the king will understand the strength of Karna. He is saying that when Karna has taken a position as Senapati, let's see let's see what he does. The king will know whether he is actually good or not, because he is losing an opportunity of me not fighting beside him. So I'm going to leave my astram. I'm not going to fight until this fellow is killed. So let the king understand how it is when the battle has this fear of Bhima and Arjuna. When fear arises, you can take two Sati Saptami as he says here. So Balanam Nathe Asmin Sati, when Karna has taken up the position of Senapati, and Parikutpita Bhimarjuna Bhaye Samutpanne Sati, when there is a fear that arises, that has arisen because of Bhima and Arjuna being angered, Parikupita, they have completely become angry, and so people are all in fear right now as to what Bhima will do or what Arjuna will do. At that point of time in the battle, Samare, Raja Duryodhanaha Priya Sakha Balam Vetu, புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம் அப்படிங்கிற iti khadgam utsrijati, he lets go of his weapon. Karnaha vihasya, now Karna laughs and he says kulakrama agatameva etat bhavadrisham yad astra parityago nama. அதாவது குல புத்தியை காமிச்சுட்டேங்கிறோம்ல. குலக்கிரம ஆகதமேவ ஏதாத்ரிஷம் பவாத்ரிஷாம் யத் அஸ்திர பரித்யாகः. It seems to be hereditary with you, this kind of a tyaga of your astra. Kulakrama agatam, it has come vadi vadiya paramparaya agatam. Yat bhavadrisham, for people like you, astra parityagaha iti eshaha vishayah kulakrama agatam eva. Iti Ashwathama.
Okay, what is the tyaga? It is
Tyago.
Tyago
நாம நிறைய மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகே. நனுரே அபரித்யக்தமபி பவாத்ரிஷைஹி, பாவாத்ரிஷைஹி இல்ல, பவாத்ரிஷைஹி தான். பவாத்ரிஷைஹி ஆயுதம் சிரபரித்யக்தம் ஏவ நிஷ்பலத்வாத். அபரித்யக்தமபி பவாத்ரிஷைஹி, even though the weapon has not been dropped by people like you. Ayudham chira parityaktameva yataha kimartham nishpalatvat. He gives a reason, because your weapons are completely useless. It is not at all efficient, and because of their nishpalam, inefficiency or failure, even before you have started fighting, it is well left. Chira parityaktameva, it has been long given up because they are inefficient.
And I think he's hinting to the fact that the astras won't work for him in the moment of need.
Nariya shabam irukke avanukku. He has 2-3 curses. Curse and his own pratigna, all things are acting against him there. Karna are moodha dhritayudho yavadaham tavat anyaih kim ayudaihi yadvan asiddham astrena mamatat kena setsyati. Yavat aham dhrita ayudha, as long as I am carrying weapons, tavat anyaihi ayudhaihi kim, for what is the use for others, other weapons அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கலாமா?
What is used for weapons for others? What do you
For
know?
others na தான் நான் நினைக்கிறேன். அந்யத்ருதைஹி ஆயுதைஹி கிம். Just checking. Yeah. There is no use for other people to carry weapons at all. Because he alone with his weapon is enough to take care of an entire army. Yadva अस्त्रेण मम अस्त्रेण यत् न सिद्धम तत् केन सेत्स्यति. Anything that is not, that cannot be accomplished by my weapon, how can it, which one, kena astrena tat setsyati, with what weapon can it be achieved? Setsyati, siddhyati oda future litlakara. So anything that is not, that cannot be achieved by my, அதாவது இந்த யதிஹாஸ்தி ததன்யத்ர என்னைஹாஸ்தி நதத் கொச்சித்துங்கிறோம் for as a definition of Mahabharata, that which is in Mahabharata is not found. If you don't find it here, then you cannot find it here. Anvaya vyatirekam madri. Yadva mama astrena na siddham is, if there is anything that cannot be achieved by my weapon, then it cannot be achieved by anybody else's weapon. Then whose weapon can be phalatvat?
That Kena is not Astra. Is it only for Astram? Can it not be just anybody else, any other person? Like
Mama astrena தானே இருக்கு. Mama astrena தானே இருக்கு இங்க.
Mama astrena na siddham yadi.
தத் கஸ்ய சேத்ஸ்யதின்னு போட்டாலாவது தத் கஸ்ய சேத்ஸ்யதின்னா உங்களுக்கு there should be a correlation between the two sections, no? யத் தத் எத்தத் கிளாஸ்ல காரிலேஷன் இருக்கணுமா இல்லையா?
Okay.
என்னாச்சு?
Okay.
ஆமா. ஆஹ துராத்மன் திரௌபதி கேசாம்பர ஆகர்ஷண மகாபாதகின் தார்த்தராஷ்டிர அபசத चिरस्य खलु कालस्य मत् सम्मुखीनम् आगतः असि क्षुद्रपशो क्व इदानीं गम्यते अपि च भो राधेय दुर्योधन सौबल प्रभृतयः पाण्डव विद्वेषिणः च चापपाणयः मानधनाः शृण्वन्तु भवन्तः. ओ இது விட்டேனே, நேபத்தியே இருக்கணும் இங்க. பத்திலா this, if it is in the other, it's better. So nepatye, we hear Bhima's words from behind the screen. Duratman, he is addressing Dushasana here. Dushasana is caught right now in the grip of Bhima. So aha Duratman Draupadi Kesha Ambara Akarshana Mahapatakin, one who has committed a great sin by dragging both Ambara, the sari and the cloth, and Kesha and the hair of Draupadi. Draupadi Kesha Ambara Akarshana, by dragging you have become a Mahapataki, committing a great sin. Dhartarashtra Apasada, Dhartarashtra Kuleshu Yaha Nichaha Saha. So Dhartarashtreshu, among the sons of Dhritarashtra, you are the Nicha, you are the worst kind. Chirasya kalu kalasya mat sammukhinam agataha asi. After a long time, 10 days of battle are over, right? Or 11-12 days of battle are over. So after a long time, you have come in front of me. Mat sammukhinam, mat sammukhe agataha asi. You have appeared in front of me right now.
14 days, Maudya.
14 days, okay. So Bhishmar 10, இவர் 4, துரோணர்
இவர் 4, அதுக்கப்புறம் கர்ணா வந்து கர்ணா 3
days, 1 day துரியோதனா.
Last day.
அவ்வளவுதான். So after 14 days of battle, Dushasana was seen. Yeah. So sammukhinam mat sammukhinam agataha asi kshudra pasho. Animal who is a அதாவது பசுனா ஜந்துங்கிறது lowly beast நல்லா இருக்கு. சரி, குவ இதானிம் கம்யதே, where are you going? குவ கம்யதே in bhave prayoga. So where are you going right now? Apicha or karmani prayoga. Bho radheya duryodhana saubala prabhritayah. He is calling all of the other kings right now. Listen, all of you. Shrunvantu bhavantaha iti. And who are the kings that he is addressing? Radheya, Karna, Duryodhana, saubala prabhritayah. All of you. Pandava vidveshinaha, those who are enemies to Pandava, those who hate the Pandavas. Chapapanayaha, you may be having your bow in your hand, that's fine. Manadhanaha, and the honor is your wealth right now. So Manadhanaha, Shrunvantu, is talking about the Dushasana right now. Krishta yena shiro ruhe nripashuna panchala rajatmaja येनास्याः परिधानमप्यपहृतं राज्ञां गुरूणां पुरः यस्योरस्थल शोणित आसवम् अहं पातुं प्रतिज्ञातवान् सोऽयं मद्भुज पञ्जरे निपतितः संरक्षतां कौरवाः. If you can, try to protect him. Now என்னோட இந்த கை இடுக்கல மாட்டின்ட்டாங்கிறார். கைங்கிறது தான் ஒரு கேஜ் இங்க. It's like my arms are like a cage and he has fallen in that cage of my arms. If you can, you protect him. Samrakshita. So he's reminding himself of the atrocities that Duryodhana did. Sorry, Dushasana. So that Nripashuna Yena, who is an animal among the kings, Nripashuna, Panchala Raja Atmaja, Panchala Rajaha Drupadaha, Tasya Atmaja Putri Draupadi, Shiro Ruhe Krishta, she was dragged by her hair. தலையில பிடிச்சு இழுக்கப்பட்டான்னு தமிழ்ல உங்களுக்கு சப்தமி will fit properly. In English you would say dragged by the hair. Yena asyaha paridhanam api apahritam gurunam rajnyam cha puraha. In front of the kings and in front of elders, her vastram was also apahritam. It was dragged, pulled off. Apahritam. Yasya urasthala, this is one word here. Yasya urasthala shonita asavam aham patum pratignyatavam. By அங்க மேல ஏன அபகிருதம் தானே போட்டிருக்கு. By whom, by which Dushasana, her vastram was also removed. And then yasya urasthala shonita asavam aham patum pratignyatavam. And whose blood from his chest I have made a pratignya to drink that blood from his chest. So urasthala shonita asavam na, it's like a drink. I have vowed to drink the intoxicant madri. It's like a drink that comes from the chest of Dushasana. Saha ayam madbhuja panjare nipatitaha. Now he has fallen in the clasp of my arms. Or panjarana, literally a cage of my arms, in the grip of my arms. If possible, Kauravaha, hey Kauravaha, samrakshatam, you may protect him if you can. Sarve akarnayanti.
The Nripashuna is
Rupakam.
like Manushya Pashu or like Raja.
ரூபகம் இல்ல ரூபகம் இல்ல சாரி நரபுங்கவகான் இருக்கும் இல்லையோ அந்த மாதிரி இல்ல இங்க புங்கவகான சிரேஷ்டா whereas when you say nripashuhu it means a person who is to be treated like an animal among the இது பசுரூபே மனுஷ்யேனான்னு போட்டிருக்கு. ஓ nripashuna, ஐயோ சாரி nripa பசுன்னு நான் எடுத்துட்டேன். Sorry, you're right. Naranam madhye yaha pashuhu ityeva. He doesn't care about whether he is a king or not. Even among all sorts of people, he is to be treated like an animal because of his actions. So, sarve akarnayanti, all of them who are in the stage, listen to these words of Bhima. Ashwathama, sotprasamma. Utprasaha enna? व्यंग के साथ प्रासः. One minute. So utprasa ut pra asya as kshepane. So you are throwing insult madri, whereas it's a ridicule, in derision, அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. So sotprasam, with ridicule. Angaraja senapate, he is addressing Karna, no? So he is actually ஒரு கிண்டலா பேசுறது. So Angaraja, one who is the king of the Angas. Senapate, now you have been appointed as a Senapati. What are you going to do, Madri? Jamadagnya Shishya, who is the disciple of Jamadagnya, Parashurama, Dronopahasin. You the one who criticized or humiliated Drona upahasate, one who mocked the Drona. Where is your prowess right now? So Bhuja Bala Parirakshita Sakala Loka, one who has protected the entire world with your the prowess of your arms, the strength of your arms. Dhritayudaha iti pathati, the earlier shloka. What is this? He is reading Karna's shloka back to him. He is saying, Dhritayudaha yavadaham tavad anyaikim ayudaihi yadvana siddham astrena mamatat kena setsyatenu sonniye. He is trying to point out by saying that you said, when you have lifted up your arms, everybody, there is no need for anybody else to pick up their arms. That's what you declared then, right? So idam tad asannataram eva samvrittam. So this idam refers to the and the vaichavadal vittalla, adnuடைய ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இப்ப வந்திருக்கு பாருங்கறான். You expressed yourself. You said that something that cannot be achieved by my weapon cannot be achieved by anybody else. Who can achieve that? So the opportunity for that has asannataram. It is right close now. Samvrittam. It has come here. Raksha enam sampratam bhimat dushasanam. So protect Dushasana from Bhima right now. Okay.
Mahodaya, that Jamadagni Ashishyava, it
இல்ல
is
இல்ல
not Jamadagni Shishya, right?
ஜமதக்னி
Because he is not
பாருங்க, முதல்ல தத்தி தத்த ஒழுங்கா பாத்துக்கணும். ஜமதக்னேஹே அபத்யம் புமான் ஜாமதக்னியாக.
Parashuramas, but he is not the Shishya of Parashurama, right? So it's Jamadagni Ashishya cannot
No,
be.
why is he not Parashurama Shishya?
Because he didn't agree, that's why he was cursed, right?
He may be cursed, but he learnt everything before curse, no?
He only gets cursed the last minute. எல்லாம் முடிச்ச உடனே இந்த end தான் ஒரு curse வரும்.
They had such a great relationship that Parashurama was actually sleeping on his lap, no? That is when a bee comes and stings his lap and he is tolerating that pain. So Parashurama realizes that till now you are a Kshatriya and you posed as a Brahmana and came to me. Abdina.
And after
So
that
then
also,
how is that spelling, you see?
அததான் நான் சொன்னேன். நீங்க முதல்ல ஒரு நிமிஷம், தத்திதம் என்ன அங்க? ஜாமதக்னிஹி becomes ஜாமதக்ஞः, அகாராந்த புல்லிங்கம்.
Yes.
ஜாமதக்ஞஸ்ய சிஷ்யः, ஜாமதக்ஞ சிஷ்யः இங்க இருக்கே.
Oh, okay.
அது யணாதேச சந்தி இல்ல. That's what I was trying to tell you.
Okay.
and actually at the end of the thing, even after he's cursed him, Parashurama gives him the Vishnu Dhanuhu, which he has. So Karna comes to the battle with the Vishnu Dhanus, which is opposed to the Gandivam. So he has everything equal to Arjuna. Onne one irukadu, which is the charioteer. He won't have that. Everything else is equal.
Yeah. Aha. का शक्तिः वृकोदरस्य मयि जीवति दुःशासनस्य छायामपि आक्रामितुम्. का शक्तिः वृकोदरस्य. What power does Vrikodara, Bhima has? मयि जीवति सति. When I am alive, मयि जीवति सति. When I am alive, दुःशासनस्य छायामपि आक्रमितुम् वृकोदरस्य का शक्तिः. What power can Bhima have to akramitum, to cross even the shadow of Dushasana when I am alive? Yuvaraja na bhetavyam. Dushasana is the Yuvaraja, crown prince. So na bhetavyam. Don't fear. Aham agataha asmi. Do vandute. Vandutengrama, that past tense, no? I have already arrived ngra madri. So here I come. iti nishkrantah Karna leaves the stage. Ashwathama Rajan Kauravanath Abhishmam Adronam Samprati Kaurava Balam Alodayantau Bhimarjunau Radheyena Evam Vidhena Anyena Va Nashakyate Nivarayitum. So Ashwathama now feels, Kauravanatha, he addresses Duryodhana and says, Abhishmam Adronam Samprati Kaurava Balam. The army of the Kauravas is right now without Bhishma and it is without Drona too, Samprati right now. And such a balam, such an army is being alodayantam. Bhima and Arjuna are alodayatina alasarana artho. They're completely churning, la? Huh? Churning, ama. It's being churned by Bhima and Arjuna. Radheyena evam vidhena, if anyena va, Radheyena or evam vidhena anyena va, either by Karna or by any other person, how can it be protected? Kimva nivarayatum shakyate. How can those two be controlled by either Radheya or it? So Kaurava balam alodayantau bhimarjunau prathama vibhakti nivarayitum kena shakyate. How is it possible to stop both of them? Ataha swayameva bhratuhu pratikara paraha bhava. So you yourself have to go and take an action with respect to your brother. So bhratuhu pratikara paraha. Revenge for your brother, you have to do it yourself. Swayameva bhava. Aha shaktihi asti duratmanaha pavanatanayasya anyasya va mayi jivati shastrapanau vatsasya chayamapi akramitum. Duratmanaha pavanatanayasya anyasya va. Either the son of Vayu, which is Bhima, or anybody else. Is there a power to either Bhima or anybody else to akramitum, to cross even the shadow of Vatsasya? Duryodhana in this entire drama, he would address Dushasana as Vatsa. He has so much of love towards Dushasana there that in this and the play kamipa adala. So Vatsasya shastrapanau mayi jivati sati. When I am alive with my weapon, holding my weapon, when I am alive, what power can Bhima have to cross even the shadow of this child? That is Dushasana. Vatsa na bhetavyam, don't fear. Kakotraboho ratam upanaya, bring my chariot. Iti nishkrantaha. Duryodhana also goes out of the stage.